Hey everyone, welcome back to Everything with Anything, where we simplify complex topics for you. Have you ever wondered how your body fights off infections? Well, today we're diving into two super important components of the immune system, antigens and antibodies. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what antigens and antibodies are, how they interact in our immune system, why they are crucial for our health, and vaccines. So make sure to stick around till the end, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon to stay updated with more amazing content. An antigen is any substance that triggers an immune response in your body. It can be a bacteria, a virus, a fungus, a toxin, even a harmless substance like pollen or dust. Example, if you have the flu, the virus itself is an antigen. Now, let's talk about antibodies, your body's superheroes. Antibodies, also called immunoglobulins, e.g., are special proteins made by your immune system to fight off antigens. They are produced by a type of white blood cell called B cells. How do antibodies work? Antibodies recognize antigens and bind to them like a lock and key. They neutralize the invader, making it harmless. They signal other immune cells, like macrophages, to destroy the antigen. Example, when you get a COVID-19 vaccine, your body produces antibodies against the virus so that if you're exposed in the future, your immune system can fight it off quickly. How antigens and antibodies interact. Step 1. A virus, antigen, enters the body and starts attacking cells. Step 2. Your immune system detects the antigen and activates B cells. Step 3. B cells produce antibodies to bind and neutralize the antigen. Step 4. The antigen is marked for destruction and immune cells eliminate it. This entire process is what protects you from infections and makes vaccines work. Antibodies in vaccines and immunity. Did you know that vaccines work by training your body to produce antibodies? How? When you receive a vaccine, a weakened or inactive form of an antigen is introduced into your body. Your immune system recognizes it as a threat and creates antibodies. If you ever get exposed to the real virus, your body already knows how to fight it off. Fun fact, people who recover from an infection develop natural antibodies, which provide some level of immunity for a period of time. Summary and key takeaways. Antigens are foreign substances that trigger an immune response. Antibodies are proteins that recognize and neutralize antigens. Antigens and antibodies work together to protect the body from infections. Vaccines help our immune system produce antibodies to fight future infections. Now you know how your body defends itself like a pro. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to Everything with Anything for more fun and informative videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and stay curious.